Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we are taking a look at a 2015 C300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue. Under the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. Standard on the C-Class are front and rear LED daytime running lights. We've got 18-inch wheels. Tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB Tex interior, panorama roof. Coming around back here, we've got our C300 4MATIC badging. Fresh set of floor mats, fold down rear seats. Coming alongside here, we've got blind spot assist, a linden wood trim. This also comes with the Premium 1 package, which includes Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in here, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera. And we've got navigation, dual climate controls, our radio, cup holder, command center with our dynamic selects. This vehicle has photos online if you'd like to check them out at feldmanimports.com.